Today we are going to do this blooming flowers experiment. The materials you will need include paper, scissors, markers, and a bowl of water. Start by drawing your flowers. You can make many different sizes and styles, just be creative. You can definitely make better flowers than mine. When done, cut the flowers out. Once you have all your flowers cut out, fold the petals into the center of each flower and make sure that you crease them well. When done, you can place your flowers one by one into your bowl of water, and you will notice that they immediately start to bloom. They begin to open up, and it's not magic, it's science. Paper is made up of small fibers that, when wet, expand. This is why the creases flatten out and the flower opens or blooms. I hope you try this for yourselves, members, and I hope you enjoyed.